recently bought a 1997 Mercury Grand Marquis, and I've just got it home and it's really dirty. Oh, hey, so I've been trying to clean up the mercury with this Waterless wash by McGuire's, and it's a spray, but the spray thinger doesn't work, so I just pour it out of the bottle, which isn't a great way to do it. You're supposed to like rub it in and then like buff it out with a clean rag, but this car is so dirty. It's gonna take a while before I get all the grime off of it, so just relax, we got a ways to go. this car recently at a car auction yard situation where basically a lot of like cars that were traded into dealerships that were never resold kind of go to die. And apparently I'm told that wherever they store these cars, there's a lot of bees, and so there's a lot of bee excrement covering the car, and that's all the little bits of gunk that are like stuck to it. So while it's not super pleasant, it's also not super stuck on there. It's pretty easy to get this stuff off. So I just kind of have to keep at it, keep going, and see what I can do. The paint seems to be a little bit on the thin side here, so kind of wondering if I might start experimenting with doing like a little bit of paint touch up and just see how that turns out. I don't know, try my hand at it.